and this is called gram flour. Again, it is available in all the stores. This is different from suji. This is different from your chapati atta. This is called gram flour. Right? Now we are going to take this gram flour. This is the main ingredient. We are going to dry roast the cumin. Now according to the quantity you have to see how much you are making. Accordingly you take the fennel seed and cumin. And in this we are going to add carom seed also. Now carom seeds are very good, those who are in the colder cities. With this you don't catch cold. So this actually we grind it. If you make a powder out of it, it's better, but just now I am putting it straight like this over here. Same thing in your raita, same way you have to put cumin and this. Now I put just again, here we go by, we don't measure accordingly, but once, as I told you, once you'll start cooking, try 4-5 times and you will know what quantity to take, because after eating you will know whether today you added little more any spice or you need to add little less. So try it 4-5 times. So these are the carom seeds, and I add now tomatoes because it is a tomato omelette. I also add coriander leaves because they give good flavor. Salt, and I have added my masala. If you like turmeric, you could add little bit, so it will give nice yellow color, and turmeric is antiseptic. I am going to use whey water because today I made paneer, so I am going to add this water in this now. If you want it to be little more soft, though this is always soft, but if you like it to be more soft, the tomato omelette, you can add now in this much I think half a bowl of curd, so it will become more soft. But that depends who likes it. If you don't like it, you can make it this way only. Now I am using whey water. You can use plain water if you are not having whey that day at home. Or if you have any, when you go and make, if something doesn't turn out right, you can always email to me. You will receive the mail. You can always write to me and ask, what went wrong. So maybe I could suggest, I will know why it went wrong. So I want you to cook a full meal for your family and friends. See, some days when you don't have eggs or vegetarian, if you want to eat, this is very quick. This goes in the tiffin box also, you can take this, and it doesn't take much time. This same batter I am going to use for tomato omelette as well as paneer pakoda. So 2 dishes I will teach you. Now in paneer pakoda, if you don't want to put tomatoes, not necessary. But since I am making the same batter for tomato omelette, everybody loves tomatoes. So in paneer pakoda also you can have the tomatoes taste. You can use the brush also, oil brush. Otherwise you just take little oil first and spread it over the pan. In the center there should be slightly more first time, otherwise it will stick to the pan. Pardon?
What type of oil is it?
Any oil you can use. This is sunflower oil, but whatever your oil, butter oil, ghee, whatever you use at home, you can use that. In the take 1 spoon of this. Now we are just taking one spoon and you spread it on the pan. So it is spread like omelette. Spread it evenly. Make small ones first. If you will make small ones first, they will come out good. Later you can try making bigger ones. Now, you will have to regulate the heat. If you feel the pan has become too hot, make it medium heat or slow heat. If you feel it is right, then again when it has become colder, again increase the heat. So heat you have to regulate while making. Now while this is being done, you will see that small balls are coming out. One ball has come here, splattering. So when you get few balls here, that means it is ready to turn. See these small balls are coming. They are coming up. You can see small round balls are coming up. So that means now it is ready to turn. First you lower the gas, make the heat less. And from the sides you take it like this, all 4 sides first. Then go to the center so it will not break. Now you turn it. So it is golden brown in color now. Right? Now again we will put half a teaspoon of oil around the edges of the tomato omelette so that the other side gets cooked. Now see, while turning it, it went little on the other side, so I will bring it in the center. But you don't bring it in the center for the first 2 times that you make, otherwise it will stick to it. Once you've got the practice of it, then you can bring it to the center. It's like how you make your egg omelettes at home. If you feel it is little dry, put some more oil or ghee over it. So again 1 or 2 minutes till it becomes golden brown in color. Now see, this part is cooked. This part is not cooked. If you can see, this is yellow, this part. So now I will turn it over and try to cook that yellow part. Right? Now see here, while I can also see whether this is fully oily. Because the part which will not be oily, that part will not get cooked. So just with a spoon, now see these are the things which you need to note properly. So on the part where there is no oil, I am putting little oil so that when I turn it again, it will get cooked. So this part also didn't get cooked because there wasn't enough oil over there. So again you increase the flame and you just press it slightly. Tomatoes you can add as per your liking, less or more into the batter. Okay. This is still not cooked. Your pan has to be right. Now this pan, it is deep in the middle. So from this side it is not getting cooked properly. So flat pan you need. And you can add little ginger, salt. Cumin, if you want, you can add cumin. Today I have added cumin because mint is not available over here. So to give it a little good flavor, and put little salt, grind it, add little water, and grind it to the consistency that you want, thick or liquidy. And after you remove it into the bowl, squeeze lemon into it. That's it. So you don't have to cook the chutney. Chutney is ready. Okay, so this tomato omelette is ready. Once it becomes little cold, I will give you. So you will make this kind of pan. Yeah, otherwise you can't deep fry the things. Now in this same batter, I am going to add paneer pieces. Now paneer pakoda again I will make with hand because I cannot put it with the spoon. I have added paneer pieces in this. And I try to take one paneer piece in one pakoda. Now when you make omelette as well as pakoda, you separate the batter. Because for pakoda you need little thick batter. Now for omelette we need slightly thinner batter. Now, yeah. In the recipe I have not given you tomatoes, I have not added in the paneer pakoda, that's why, but you can add, no problem. Like see, when people are coming home, when you are cooking for your guests, so you want to make things easier. So this is how it becomes easier, like I can teach you 2 items in one batter. So I could make this again with practice, you will know, please don't dip your fingers into the oil. Oil is very hot. So initially you can put with, try putting it with from top. So you can fry about 7 to 8 pakoras at one time. And when I make pakoras, I always keep a water ready with me so I can, wash my fingers immediately. Now deep frying, you can even say if you don't want to make pakoras out of paneer, you just want to have them like fingers, like how we have potato fingers, McDonald's you get. Same way, then you cut long pieces of paneer and just simply deep fry it. And after you have deep fried it, just put little salt over it. That's all. Pardon? Batter I had added the salt, but say if you are making paneer fingers, in that you are not using the batter. Only paneer and you are drying it. See, the color should be this light brown. First time it will become black, don't worry. मुझे प्लेट दीजिए. So first time if this doesn't come to this color, do not worry. Try with a small quantity. First 2 times you will get it right. So your next meal that you are going to try at home, you are going to make rice, dal, Indian cabbage, raita. It's a full meal. Then you can make, take bread with it if you want. Pakoras you can make, not the omelette, of course that doesn't come in the dinner, that is for breakfast or evening. Pakora you can make in the dinner, and yeah, suji halwa. So your whole dinner is ready.